Come on.
It's okay.
Is it good?
It's okay. Yes, close the door. Close the door.
Now.
Hey, yo, buddy. You want this cheesy fool? Oh my god! Hey! Cut it out!
Think of things. Come on, brain. Think of things. Come on, brain. Be so smart.
My 2 kitty cats. Muffin. Oh!
Huh? Call him, Will.
Don't bring a horse in the house.
What? Oh god, oh god, oh god.
No. Oh, God.
When your child has their own language with her cat.
Ooh, mommy's coming. Go run, run. Get in the cage, go.
This right here is why we don't crawl. And that. Don't scream at me. You did this to yourself.
This is Jude being my puzzle as a Merry Christmas to me. Because he doesn't think he got any presents, but he does have a present under the tree.
No thank you. No thank you.
Okay. I honestly have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
Huh?
Gigi, how do you feel about what's happening with the world right now?
Jace, no.
What are you talking about? Playing a game of whack here. What?
Easy. I'll give you a piece, bro. Like, fuck.
Ooh, oh, ooh, that's good.
No, those are those are my eyelashes.
Not really.
Oh, you guys are so handsome. Excuse me, sir. Do you have your ID? Uh-oh.
Get away from the vent. He found the vent. Oh my god. No. No, oh my god. Oh my god. Boo! Come back! Oh my god. Oh my god.